Chapter 11 covers subnetting IPv4 networks. What subnetting is, why it's necessary, how to borrow bits to expand the network portion and create subnets, the 5 attributes of a subnet, and how to divide a network into equal and variable sizes. The problem with classful addressing is that it doesn't allow us to create networks of appropriate sizes. Classful addressing with classes A, B, and C was too rigid. A class C has 254 addresses, too many for small offices but too small for enterprises. Class B has 65,534 addresses, and Class A has over 16 million. CIDR replaced this with flexible prefix lengths like /23, /26, 28. Classless interdomain routing, or CIDR, introduced in 1993, throws out classful rules. Prefix lengths don't have to be /8, 16, or /24. An address block like 192.168.1.0/24 can be divided into subnets of appropriate sizes by extending the prefix length. To make subnets, you borrow bits from the host portion and add them to the network portion. Each borrowed bit doubles the number of subnets but halves the number of addresses per subnet. The formula for subnets is 2 to the power of x, where x is borrowed bits. The 5 attributes are network address with host portion all zeros, broadcast address with host portion all ones, first usable address, network address +1, last usable address, broadcast address -1, and maximum hosts, calculated as 2 to the power of y -2, where y is host bits. Fixed-length subnet masking divides an address block into subnets of equal sizes. For example, a /24 block can be divided into 2/25 subnets, 4/26 subnets, or 8/27 subnets by borrowing 1, 2, or 3 bits respectively. For a block also /NOS, okay? For a /24 block like 192.168.1.0, borrowing 2 bits creates 4/26 subnets. 192.168.1.0/26, 192.168.1.28 to 16 starts /26, 16 zeros, and 192.168. Each has 62 usable hosts, calculated as 2 to the 6th power -2. Subnetting /16 or /8 blocks follows the same rules. Borrowing 12 bits from 10.0.0 points /8s allows 4,096 subnets of /20 size. The borrowed bits can cross octet boundaries. To a computer, an IP address is just 32 bits. Variable length subnet masking creates subnets of varying sizes to use address space more efficiently. Assign the largest subnet first, then the second largest, and repeat until all subnets are assigned. Given 10.89.100.0/24, assign Toronto LAN A, needing 122 hosts. Borrow 1 bit for a /25 subnet with 126 hosts. Then, Tokyo LAN A, needing 59 hosts. Borrow 6 bits for a /26 subnet with 62 hosts. Continue with Toronto LAN B /27, Tokyo LAN B /28, and WAN /30. For point-to-point links between 2 routers, use /30 or /31 prefix lengths. 30 consumes 4 addresses with 2 usable hosts. 31 consumes only 2 addresses with no network or broadcast address and is more efficient. CIDR replaced classful addressing, allowing flexible prefix lengths. Subnetting divides address blocks into subnets. FLSM creates equal-sized subnets. VLSM creates varying sizes. Borrowed bits double subnets, but have hosts per subnet. Calculate the 5 attributes for each subnet.